Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 才 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write 才 ability, owning, just now, for example, 才能 talent, not every talent will be appreciated by others. 并不是所有的才能都会被其他人所欣赏。Not every talent will be appreciated by others. 并不是所有的才能都会被其他人所欣赏。Not every talent 并不是所有的才能都会被其他人所欣赏。Not every talent will be appreciated by others. 并不是所有的才能都会被其他人所欣赏。才 in cursive. 才 ability, owning, just now. 才能 talent. Not every talent will be appreciated by others. 并不是所有的才能都会被其他人所欣赏。才 Please comment any words or sentence with the character 才. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.